Hello, this is R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I have something pretty interesting. Now you guys know I am a big fan of Keurig and I do all my coffee from there. I have my lattes, have everything from it. But here we have something very unique at CES. So this is called Keurig Drinkworks. And this essentially does the same thing, but now you can actually do it with cocktails. So we have a Cosmopolitan right here, have an Old Fashioned, have Long Island iced tea. We have all these different ones that we can actually put into it, and they are essentially like K-cups, like what they have, but these are also recyclable, so that's really good. I know a lot of people always have concerns about that. So let me show you how easy it is to work. So basically we're gonna take this barcode, and yes, it is barcode, it's a little awesome. So basically we're gonna put the barcode towards the back, and it'll tell me if I have it in wrong over here. So then we're gonna just close this right here, and it's gonna read it. It says authentic one found, and then you put a medium glass or a short glass, whatever your recipe is, put it underneath, push the button, and then it's preparing the drink. So very simple and easy. I know we always joke around a lot with the, whoa, a whole bunch of questions just loaded, everybody take a drink. And maybe this might be a new one that we have to put in for this to happen, because it really is just cool just to get the perfect drink and simple and easy one. And not only that, but it also has things for sangria. You have so many different recipes, old mules, martinis, all these different ones. So you have something for every kind of person that loves to take a different kind of drink. So I do love that in terms of just everyone. And then when you're done, you can actually open this up, and once it's fully done with the last drop, it's actually gonna pop up, so it lets you know it's ready to go. And there you have it. There you have your drink, and you're all set. All right, guys, so if you guys want to see any more information on this, if you want us to review this one, let me know in the comment section down below. This is currently in select markets for $2.99, so you can find it at different places such as Best Buy, Total Wine, such as that, but definitely something that I think a lot of you would like, and a little bit of smart home tech that pretty much fills a lot of people's needs. Thank you as always for watching. This has been R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.